Flytrex has raised $40 million in financing to help the drone company grow. Flytrex will use the money to expand its operations and create more partnerships with big retailers. Flytrex's drones can transport a 6.6-pound payload, which is about 6 to 8 hamburgers over a distance of 3.5 miles and back at speeds of up to 32 miles per hour. The Israeli startup has raised $60 million in total funding. Recently, it launched its third food delivery service in North Carolina. It says that during just this month, the number of orders increased 10 times. Imagine a future where people get things delivered to them by drones. People need to be able to see drones delivering other people's stuff. Since the pandemic, on-demand drone delivery has been increased a lot. Now it is much more common than we thought before. The company claims that they are excited to work with the FAA and North Carolina Department of Transportation to provide on-demand drone delivery that is quick, affordable, and sustainable to more people across the country. BRM Group led the company's most recent funding round, and it also included our crowd and Lukas Gadowski, the founder and chairman of Delivery Hero. It also included Benhamu Global Ventures, BTAV, and Backbone Ventures. Thank you for watching, and if you have liked this video, don't forget to click the like button and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting tech news by subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications.